Good morning.
Good
Good morning, ma'am.
Namaskar, ma'am. All are well and safe at home?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is your exam?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
I unmuted you. I muted you, beta. You are on lecture mode, so you have to write in chat box. Okay, so today is your exam, your maths exam. Okay, 3 p.m. to 4. So everyone has prepared. Okay, good morning, everyone. Good morning, beta. Okay, so now everyone, best of luck for your exam, beta. Okay, now today we will start our SS lecture, the revision lecture for MEA1. Okay, MEA1 revision lecture. But before starting, we will do we will sing the Gayatri Mantra. Beta, today's homework, you have to prepare your both the chapter for your exam. Okay? Okay, everyone. So now, everyone, join your hand, close your eyes. Firstly, turn on your video, beta. Turn on your video. Everyone. Everyone, turn on your video, beta. Close your eyes, everyone. Join your hand. Join your hand. Close your eyes. Everyone, 1, 2, 3, and start. Om Bhurbhuvaswaha Tasya Vitulvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhima. Everyone, be ready now. Hold your ears.
भी एक्सरसाइज करा रहे हैं मैम.
4, 3, 4, 5.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
मैम कहाँ चला गया? नमस्कार मैम.
Namaskar, everyone. Namaskar. Now, it's okay, Om. If you have one map, you can complete your work. One work you can complete. Okay, now here is Freya's thought. Respect the old when you are young. Help the weak when you are strong. Okay, we should always respect our older peoples. Okay, because we have also, we will also go in the same age. Okay, so we should always respect our older peoples, okay, and we should always help the weakers. Okay, if we are strong, we should help those are weak. Okay, so this is our today's thought. Respect the world, respect the old when you are young. Help the weak when you are strong. Help the weak when you are strong. This is our today's thought. A winner is a dreamer who never gives up. Okay. So now everyone, off your video, beta. Off your video. Hetvi Pandit, Shlok Adroja. Beta, now off your video. We will start lecture. Okay, so everyone open your chapter number 1 and 2. We will do the oral revision. I will ask the oral questions between both the chapters. So I am giving you 5 minutes. You have to revise it. In 5 minutes, both the chapter you have to revise from the quick review or let's recall. Okay? Everyone, revise both the chapters. Revise your chapter, beta. Okay, everyone is doing. You have a time. Start reading. Everyone, revise your chapter. For oral test, everyone, you have a 5 minutes only. Okay, everyone, complete your task. Okay. Okay, beta. So now I'm going to ask the question. Everyone is ready? Beta, chapter 1 and 2 both. Everyone ready? Ready, beta? Okay, so now question is, the first question, which continent known as the island continent? Which continent is known as the island continent? Which continent is known as the island continent? Which continent is known as the island continent? Everyone. Okay, Australia, very good. Yes, very good. Everyone has given correct answer, Australia. Now, next question is which imaginary line marked in Eastern Hemisphere and Western Hemisphere? Which imaginary line marked in Eastern Hemisphere and Western Hemisphere? Shreya, off your video, beta. Off your video, beta. Shreya. Everyone write your answer. Done. Done, beta. Done. Okay, I'm seeing your answer. No, not axis, beta. It's a longitude. Longitude marks in Eastern Hemisphere and Western Hemisphere. Beta, I did not ask about the moving direction of the imaginary line. बेटा मैंने आपसे ये नहीं पूछा कि कौन सी इमेजिनरी लाइन किस तरफ से मूव करती है. आई आस्क्ड दैट विच इमेजिनरी लाइन इज मार्क्ड एज ईस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर एंड वेस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर. इट मीन्स कौन सी इमेजिनरी लाइन ईस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर और वेस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर में लिखी जाती है. इट मीन्स वो अर्थ को ईस्टर्न और वेस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर में डिवाइड करती है. एवरीवन अगेन गिव दिस आंसर. Everyone, write your answer very fast. Everyone, do it fast, beta. Done? Okay, now next question is which thing we carry anywhere in our pocket? Which thing we can carry anywhere in our pocket? In our pocket. In our pocket. Yes. Okay. Okay, beta. Okay. No, beta, my name is not Anamika. It's name of my daughter. She is taking class on this ID. Okay. Done. Okay, now next question. Next question is, give any one difference between latitude and longitude. Give any one difference between latitude and longitude. कितने मैसेज लिखते हो बेटा आप? एक ही मैसेज रिपीट करते हो. Everyone. Okay, latitude is run from east to west and longitude run from north to south. Okay, all are giving correct answer. Those are remaining, write your answer, beta. Those are remaining, write your answer. Those are remaining, write your answer. Those are remaining, write your answer. One difference between latitude and longitude. Okay. Now next is, okay, all are giving correct answer. Now, which continent divided by 0° latitude into two equal parts? Okay, all are giving answers. Africa, very good. Now next question is, which is the smallest ocean in the world? 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 Okay, now next question. Next question is, all are giving correct. Arctic Ocean is our smallest ocean. Now next question is, which ocean is the largest and deepest ocean? 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 Okay. Okay. Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean. Now next question is, which continent known as the world populous continent? Okay, correct answer. No, Asia is not beta. The most developed continent. Developed continent beta. Developed continent. Developed continent. Yes, it is Europe. Now correct answer. Now next question is, which continent? Next question is, which continent has the world highest mountain? Which continent has the world highest mountain? Which continent has the world highest mountain? Highest beta. Yes, Asia. Asia has the world highest mountain. What is the name of the world highest mountain which lies in Asia? What is the name of mountain, not a peak? Done? Yes, Mount. It's Himalayan. Beta, not Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the name of peak. I'm asking about the mountain range which lies in Himalaya as the world highest mountain range. It's a Himalayas. It's a Himalaya. Now next question is, which continent has the world longest mountain range? 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 Yes, it is South America. It is South America. Okay, now next is, what is the name of that world longest mountain? Name of the longest mountain in the world which lies in South America. Okay, everyone. Okay, and is Ayush, what happened? Your keypad is not working? Okay. All are giving correct answer. Okay, now next question is, on which imaginary line our earth rotates? On which imaginary line our earth rotates? Okay, all are giving correct answer. It is axis line. It is axis line. It is axis line. Okay, now next question is, what are fixed poles? What are fixed poles? Yes, North Pole and South Pole are the fixed poles or points of the earth. Okay. Next question is, which continent known as the dark continent? Which continent known as the dark continent? Okay. Question is, which continent is known as the dark continent? Okay, all are giving answer. Beta, off your video. Africa is known as the dark continent. Okay, now next question is, beta, off your video, Ayush Bhuva. Next question is, which longitude is same in Eastern Hemisphere and Western Hemisphere? Which longitude is same in, we can say that common in Eastern and Western Hemisphere? Which longitude is common in Eastern and Western Hemisphere? No, not Greenwich or not equator. ना तो ग्रीनविच है और ना ही इक्वेटर है. नो, नॉट प्राइम मेरिडियन. Not prime meridian. Nobody is giving correct answer. Not prime meridian. You all did your homework. The homework was read to parallels and meridians characteristic features. You learn it or not? नहीं learn किया बेटा. It's the first characteristic feature of meridians. Beta, which answer you are giving? Great Britain, equator. All answers are not according to my question. My question is, which longitude is common in Eastern Hemisphere and Western Hemisphere? Which longitude? We have 360 longitude. उसमें से कौन सा longitude? On which numbers longitude is common in Eastern and Western Hemisphere? Yes, now this is correct answer, Ananya. It's 180 degree. Longitude is common in East and West. What is grid? What is grid? Beta, next question is, what is grid? Okay, Ayush. Okay, beta. 180 degree east and 180 degree west is common longitude. Okay. What is the another name of 180 degree common longitude? What is the another name of 180 degree common longitude? (180 degree common longitude). No, it's not 0 degree बेटा. उसका नंबर तो ऑलरेडी है ही 180. Network of longitude and latitude known as grid. Yes. The question was, what is called grid? So, parallel and meridians form a network of lines is called grid. Is called grid. Okay. Now next question is, common name of the another name of 180 degree longitude. Now next question is, yes, Yashvi Sheta, international date line. International date line. Okay, now next is from where 0 degree meridian is passes at Greenwich. From where the 0 degree meridian passes at Greenwich near London. Okay. Royal Observatory is correct answer. Everyone is giving correct answer. Royal Observatory. Okay. Everyone has given correct answer through passes. It passes through the Royal Observatory at Greenwich near London. पार्थ बेटा आपको बहुत जल्दी है क्लास से लीव होने की. Why you are sending the stickers? Okay, now next question is, which imaginary line reduce to a point at North Pole and South Pole? Which imaginary line reduce to a point? Which imaginary line reduce to a point at the North Pole and South Pole? South Pole. Yes, parallels. Or we can say the latitudes. Parallels and latitudes. Parallel and latitudes. Okay, now next question is, what is thematic map? What is thematic map? What is thematic map? Everyone write in chat box. One line sentence. This is one sentence. This answer is in one sentence. Everyone write what is called thematic map. 1 minute you have for writing. Then thematic map is type of map that shows distances, populations, roads, railways, minerals, etc. Very good. Now next question is, the number of continent in the world is, okay, 7. Very good. Everyone is correct answer, giving correct answer. Now the busiest ocean in the world. Name the busiest ocean in the world. Busiest. Okay, Pranshu. Okay, it's Kritarth Joshi, not Pransu. Atlantic. Okay. Antarctic. Okay. Okay, beta. Now next question is Dash is the largest country of South America. Dash is the largest country of South America. Dash is the largest country of South America. Yes, it's a Brazil. Okay, Brazil is the largest country in South Africa. Okay, and we can say the Africa continent. Sorry, it's not Africa, South America. Okay, now next is the second largest continent 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 is okay, it's Africa. Okay, Ayush Bhuva. Okay. Okay, Ayush Bhuva. Okay, everyone is correct answer. Not Oz, beta. Oz, who wrote here Oz? It's wrong. Next is the percentage of land and water on the earth's surface is the percentage of land and water on the earth's surface is 71 land or water. You have to write here 71. What is 71? 71 water, 29 land. 71 water, 29 land. Okay, so now what is your homework? Homework is read question and answer both the chapter for test. Okay, done? Okay. So, now I'm going to take your attendance. Nobody will leave. Again, the last attendance. Okay. Done. I have taken your attendance. Now everyone take care. Goodbye. And best of luck for your MEA exam, beta.